He lets me play with Brandon a lot. He plays a lot of games with me. I love my dad because he likes me. He helps me when I get hurt. I love my dad because he loves me. He gives me toys when I go to store. I love my dad because he is the boss of me. He makes stuff for me. I love my dad because he gives me lot of hugs. He is cool and he has a new bird. Birds are cool. I love my dad because he is the man of the house. He is very nice to me. I love my dad because I get to play PlayStation with him. He helps out with stuff. I love my dad because he lets me work with him. He takes me to the mall. I love my dad because we're both in the same family. He is good daddy. He is nice and he doesn't get mad at me. I love my dad because he takes me to Starbucks in the morning, and that makes me happy, but we have to get up really early. He takes me to McDonald's. I love my dad because he is helpful. He helps ride my bike and routes to me to do it. He wears he wrestles me with me. I love my dad because he feeds me. He likes me to he takes me to the store almost every night. I love my dad because he makes me happy. I love my dad because he makes me happy. He helps me do my chores. Finish mo lang. Maya naman. Tapos na. I love you, Daddy.